Hi, I'm Sean Carruthers, and welcome to How Do I on Butterscotch.com. In this series, we're taking a look at the MacBook Air. This episode specifically, we're talking about Bluetooth connectivity. Now, to get the MacBook Air, as small as it is, a lot of hardware things have to be eliminated from this, including the CD drive and a lot of external ports. So there's only 2 USB ports on this. You can connect some things to that, but not as much as you might want to connect. Thankfully, there's Bluetooth added on board for connectivity, so you can add extra things like extra keyboards, extra mice if you want to use this at home in a desktop sort of situation. You can also use USB headsets, or you can take it into Bluetooth. So you have this option to make up for the fact that there's not as many USB ports as you'd like. So let's get started hooking up some Bluetooth devices to the MacBook Air. To add a device, first you go to the Apple menu, then go to System Preferences, and then go down to the Bluetooth menu. Once that's open, you click Enable Show Bluetooth Status if it's not already clicked. Then you'll have access to it in the top right-hand corner of your screen. When you go to the Bluetooth icon up at the top, you can start adding extra devices. It'll locate smartphones, notebooks, keyboards, mice, headsets, and anything else that can connect via Bluetooth. To start, let's hook up the Bluetooth mouse. To connect this particular mouse, you need to get it discoverable. In this case, we just turn it on or flip it off and then back on to get it into discoverable state. Then once it's on and discoverable, the Macintosh will find it in the Bluetooth dialog box. Located in here, we have it right here at the top. We'll select it, click Continue. It'll actually pair after a little bit of time, and then you're done. Same goes for connecting the keyboard. You'll turn the keyboard on, put it into discoverable mode. The Bluetooth dialog on the Mac will find it. Again, you'll click on it and hit Continue. In the case of the keyboard, it'll ask for a code to enter it in to make sure that you actually wanted to do that particular keyboard or that it's the right one. So we'll enter in the number that we see here and then hit Enter. Then it'll connect. For the headset, it's roughly the same process. We'll take the headset itself, turn it on, and keep holding the on button until it goes into discoverable mode. We'll see it in the dialog box on the Mac. We'll click on it and hit Continue to connect it. Now, after all your devices are connected, you can connect or disconnect them using the icon up at the top. You'll see each of the devices you've connected listed in this dialog here. You can also use the menu system up top to check out further properties of the devices. In the case of this headset, we can use it in mono or stereo mode. That'll determine the quality level we use. Or we can click through to the full dialog box in the control panel. That's it for this episode on connecting devices using Bluetooth. Don't forget to check out the other parts in the series, and don't forget to check out the show notes for this and all the other parts in the series at butterscotch.com.